So this is how like that we're gonna get our cat half and half milk. I know this. She can smell it, and she knows when it's coming. I'll shake it while you give her the half and half. Okay?
Kitty.
Here's some happy milk. Kitty. Look. But did she touch my leg?
Kitty.
Look.
Now why'd you do that?
Sucker, she'll eat it. Told you. Ha! Good to the girl. We got her, Mama. She's back on the porch. Just. You put this glove on, and you just go like.
What about
you
the
gotta,
fleas? You gotta wash her. The fleas will wash
You gotta grab it really fast though. Grab it. Ah! Oh! Is she away?
And be easy with her.
For real?
Scared me.
That's number one reason why she don't.
Put it down in the water.
That's because she don't like the water though. Look, she hates it. Look at her. She's like, get me out, Mom. I want out the water. Brie, look at her. She's like,
I'm gonna just hold her like this.
I want off the water.
Get her wet. Don't drown her.
For
Mama, I'm not.
real.
I'm just getting it up to.
Well, stop
Hey,
wrapping her around her neck all fat.
That's
tight
how
like
she
that.
stays when I give her baths, Kane. I don't
Guys, look at her. She is clawing onto it. You cannot even see the fleas.
Yeah, rub it in.
Yes.
You have to get her wet, Bree. Mama, I'm trying, okay?
Look,
She's
splash
not.
water up on her.
She's
You act
not-
like you ain't never gave an animal a bath.
She don't like baths no more.
No cats like baths.
Cats hate water. Get me out of here. Stop rubbing the soap.
I'm not torturing you, I promise. I'm just giving you a bath because you got fleas.
Brie, look at her. She's like, stop rubbing just stop rubbing it on
I
me.
don't see no bugs.
There you see them? They're right there on her neck.
Oh, yeah, I see them. That's what it do.
You see them right here?
That's what, oh, they be right where.
They was all on her neck that one day.
Yeah, they was all on her neck. Guys, look at this. Right there. Right in there
I
is
know
where
my
her
cat
fleas
had
are.
fleas because she kept itching at it. I know
Yeah.
what I see.
Mama, look at how tiny that they are, too. Look.
They just all up under her neck. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Guys, look at all. Here we look. I stop watching.
Oh, yep, there they go.
Guys, look. There they go.
Where?
The big
Clawing
one
down
right there.
See, look. They're starting
Dip
to
her
claw
down in the water.
Dip her down. Dip.
Not her face.
Drown the bugs, Bree.
I did.
Stop moving your paws.
Yeah, you see them?
Stop.
Is that a tick or is that a flea?
Is that a
I don't know. You
Well, pull it. I'm not going to pull it. I'm cooking.
You can't grab it.
Could be a tick.
Really, you don't have to have gloves on.
What ain't it?
'Cause that's not.
I used to wash the other ones without gloves on. You can wash your hands.
Bree, tick.
Shut up, Karen.
Guys, this is what we have to deal with. Our kitty cat.
I didn't even do it.
You're terrible at grabbing. Let the professional grab you. Yes. Bree, let the professional grab it. Come on. Stupid horsefly. I hate this time of year because
Girl?
I don't know. It might be a tick.
Yeah.
Well, go get the tweezers.
No, I'll just keep on bathing her right now.
Stop it.
Whoa, Coco.
She don't like the fact that you keep holding her by her neck. You ain't gonna be able to let her go because the soap's gonna have to come off of her.
Well, what am I gonna do?
Stop holding her by her neck. Get her back in the water, though. Exactly. Guys, look, she's like, get me out of this bath.
There.
People, if you see me on the
Okay,
YouTube,
what is that right? Oh, it's ticks.
That's a tick.
guys, if you see me on the YouTube, help me, I'm dead. I'm dead.
But what is that right there?
Oh.
That's a flea because it moved.
I told you.
Poor
But it's
Coco.
not coming out.
They're probably dead.
Is it dead now?
Guys, Mama,
You keep soaping her. Soaping
Yeah,
her.
there goes another one.
stop crawling in our cats. Coco, don't lick the soap.
All right, rub the soap in.
Where?
I just put some on her.
Next time I'm giving her a bath, Bree.
No, you're not.
Because you can't do anything.
She's fine.
Help me, Kaden. You people on the YouTube world, you see this? This is called torture. Coco, it's not called torture. You know what that's called? Cleaning your... Don't get it in her eyes now. Hold y'all's horses.
You have to do her ears too.
Coco does not look so happy, Bree.
Well,
Bottom of her butt. She be gentle. with
Shut
her.
up,
I ain't
Coco.
Sure she ain't gonna have some BABIES.
What's that?
my cat's pregnant.
I didn't say yet. No.
The Coco's prick. She's...
I don't know that.
They don't put your kitties up for sale.
No, why would people?
Yay!
Yay! Well,
Well, does Daddy need to look at her?
No.
Bree, Grams needs to look at her. Who's the nurse?
No.
Who's the nurse in this family, Bree? Miss Norma.
You keep scrubbing.
Girl!
You better stop clawing my stuff.
Do
Pop
the
you in the
other side
fingers.
of her body.
And the front of her belly right here. Coco, I will
Kane, if
thump
she's
you.
pregnant, she don't.
You still need the sofa to get the
Don't-
text off. The thing
Don't
off.
like you touching her belly.
Bree, well, like,
I
there's
know.
nowhere that she has found a boyfriend already. Guys, like, there's no way like that she's done found a boyfriend already. Yeah, Bree?
I don't know, Kane. They find mates pretty fast.
Well, look at how hot she is.
Yeah, I think she is pregnant.
Yeah, that's pregnant. There's
Look
no
at her
way.
stomach.
Yeah, there's no way that's not. Look at the purple stuff. Nelly has that like when she's pregnant.
Yeah, I think my cat is pregnant already.
Oh, and she's not even a year old yet. Oh my gosh, guys, she's still a kitten and she's
I know, I'm sorry.
guys like she's already a kitten and she's already pregnant.
Okay,
I'm definitely posting this, Bree.
I'm trying to get this flea off you, okay?
Hey, Coco, look like this. What I'm gonna call this? I'm gonna call this giving our cat a bath. P.S. She might be pregnant with kittens. Yes, I will post this. No, Coco, you listen to me. You better shut up.
So much soap.
For real, Bree?
It's like just soaping her back up.
Well, this is what it does when you put it in the washer, but there's a difference.
Yeah, that's a difference.
How is she pregnant already?
I don't know, Kane. She just...
Guys, our cat is pregnant already.
Tell Mom it's just soaping her back up.
It's just sudsing her back up. Hey.
She scared me. I don't know where
She's gonna claw you, of course.
Not if I hold her like this.
You're an idiot. You know that?
It's the only way, Kane.
It's not. If she's pregnant, that might kill her babies.
No, it won't, Kane.
Ow! Coco, how did you find a boyfriend already?
Tell Mom to come look at her.
You're supposed to get...
Okay, she still got one on her. I still see it.
Mama. Bree told me to say like it's just getting suds all over her back, but she's bringing some clean water.
Okay. She still got one flea on her. Mama have to scrape it
Guys,
off for me.
how is she pregnant? There's no way she's pregnant already,
We
Bree.
get kittens. Now I
We
don't
get
have to go
kittens.
get any more.
For real. Well, actually, like Grams and Peppa wants to go get some more.
Well, we won't have to.
And what if his...
She still
Mama.
got one flea on her.
Well, get it out.
I can't.
Mom, why'd you fill that up with
Find it.
water?
I rinsed it out because it's clean water.
Oh, it's right there. Can you grab it? Right
No, I
there?
just washed my hands. You're going to have to get it.
Guys, how is she pregnant? There's no way
I don't know
already.
that for sure.
What'd Daddy say?
She might be.
Well, of course she might be. I won't be surprised if we come outside like one day and there's kittens walking around on this deck.
Okay, I got it. It's dead.
Is
That's what
it?
the Dawn does.
That's
Go
all.
on and run your hands around there again real good. Make sure you get all of them out.
Guys, look at all this big... That water is warm, guys. I mean, look
I
at
know,
that.
Coco. I'm
This
sorry.
is
I love you. I'm sorry.
And I'm finna love your kittens more than you.
Hey, don't talk to my cat like that.
Coco, don't tell me to shut up.
Dude, how you gonna be a mama? How you gonna be so good? I hope you're not like your mama and just hit them all the time.
For real. That's called kitten abuse. Bro, she's pink. She has to be pregnant.
Okay, that's a tick right. Oh, ow! Say goodness gracious.
So goody gracious, baby. Tinker.
Yeah, that's a tick, and it's still alive. I need some tweezers. Tell Mom I need the tweezers.
Mom, we need some tweezers. There's a tick on them. Guys, our cat might be pregnant.
Do all that right now.
Huh?
I can't do all that right now.
Bring Mom so she can do all that right here. Guys, can you believe our cat might be pregnant?
What did Mama say?
She cannot do that right now. Guys, look. That's hot water, Bree. That's like steaming hot.
Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna clean her off with it.
I'll pour it on her and you hold her. That's what I'll do.
But you have to put the tablet down, Kane.
Yeah, no, I'll just set it up somewhere. So, do I need to do it now?
Set it up over there by the
Okay, guys, now I
But
gotta...
be gentle so she does not scratch me because she's scared.
Be quiet. She can be scared all she
I don't want her to scratch me, Kane.
I got it in your eye. I know. I know,
The
baby.
whole bucket.
I know.
Oh!
I know. I got it on her eye. I know.
Turn it around. Yeah.
I know, baby. It hurts.
Check this side. Right here. Yeah.
Oh, you got your hand. Move it.
Ow.
Ow! Stop shaking off.
Kane, you're missing the whole bucket, bruh.
Okay. Mix this up. Now turn around on her belly so her kittens can get washed.
Hang on, hang
So
on.
her kittens.
There. Go.
Her kittens is gonna get washed.
Okay, right here. On her shoulder up here. Oh,
Her eye.
don't drown her.
We're basically drowning her anyways, guys. My gosh. It's hard. Now I'm just gonna get the face.
Stop, stop, stop.
She's not liking the face part. Okay, I just turned it.
Tell Mom to come look at this under her chin.
What is it? That's a spider.
No, it's like, it looks like...
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy. Like, you need to look at this under her
What's
chin.
that? You see all those little things?
Guys,
Pregnant?
I don't know. She might be.
Daddy, and she ain't even a
So
year
that's
old
a-
yet.
It don't matter. They can get pregnant as young as 5 months old.
How old is she?
Probably 6 or 7. Quit.
Oh, she
I
crying.
know.
I know, baby. Guys, by the way, I'm gonna call this
Quit.
giving our cats,
Don't choke her, Bree.
like giving our cat a bath.
Breathing neck and might watch you crying.
Yeah, she ain't crying anymore, Bree. We know, baby. It hurts. Bree, she's
Here,
shaking.
Might need to wash her again. You need to wash her chin. Sure.
Guys, our cat might be pregnant. They can get pregnant at 7 months. She was down there for at least 5 and didn't get pregnant, and yet she's down here and she gets pregnant, Bree. Who did she find?
No, okay, no. I'm busy trying to wash her. Mom should have left me the soap.
I'll go get it. Okay?
I need that. Yeah.
That's gonna be good. Mama, we need the soap rope.
She don't need no more soap.
Yeah, because the thing on her neck.
No, she don't need no more soap. She needs to rinse her off.
Mama said no, you don't need no more soap. There's plenty of soap in the book. Coco, I'm finna have to rinse you off again here in a minute.
Okay, I almost got them all.
This needs to be filled back up.
No, it don't do this, Kane. She doesn't even have that much soap.
It's almost empty.
I soaked her chin in it to see if that would help. Scrub it.
Hers might be pregnant. Is Stinker pregnant with? Tell me who the boy is.
Hang on, let me finish, please.
Coco, tell me who the boy is.
Like, David.
She's like, boy, if you're out there, this is me. Tell me who the boy is. Find him. Won't talk.
Kane, stop, please. She's already been antsy enough.
Guys, she has a boyfriend. How is she pregnant at
After you
7
get her
months?
clean good, get her dried off good, I'll put this stuff on her here before you fix that.
Okay.
Get some of this off her chin.
Yeah,
Guys,
you want to come look at it and see
How
if
is
I
she-
did good? I'm still cleaning at it.
did you clean her butt?
It's like sore under there, though. Okay, Kane, come over. Nope.
Alright.
No, we're almost done. I
When
promise.
you get it dry completely off, I'll put that in the medicine on.
Guys, the most shocking thing about it is our guys. So like the most shocking thing about it is that our cat might be pregnant.
Come on.
At
I
5
can
months
wrap her
old.
up. Come on, please hurry. Just right there. That's all I need. Yeah, up at the top.
Sorry. Okay, more. Just on the face too.
No, Daddy said not on the face. Okay, just a little bit more like around the top, right where. Come back some. Yeah, right there. Good. Oh.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm definitely
Girl.
gonna need a shower after this.
I won't.
Well, you didn't give her a bath. Yeah, you're heavy, bruh.
She's soaked, guys.
You're heavy.
Oops.
When you get done doing all that and get her dried off and we'll get a lesson on her, take the kennel sprayed out.
Yes, I did.
Hey,
Right
bro, there's
here.
a bug on me,
We'll
Daddy.
put it back. We'll put it back on the. That was just a mat or something. We'll put it back on the porch and put a towel in it. Just leave it open if she wants to lay in it and stuff.
Why? Cause she's pregnant.
I don't know if she is, Bree.
No, she's pink at the bottom. That's how you know they're pregnant. Because Graham said when Neely's pregnant, she has pink on her.
Let's wrap this mama up.
Let's wrap this baby up.
I gotta finish cleaning the kennel out. I'll just hold her with me.
Guys, our cat might be pregnant. That's awesome.
You're all clean now.
Hers all clean, and I'll go dump this out.
No. Why? Just let me do it. I'm finna go do it while I got her. I'm dirty. Wet.
Okay, just want to make sure here. Come back. Guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Hopefully y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Coco's over there giving herself a bath again. Coco, you just had a bath. And,
Let that dry. So then when it does dry, I can put it back up here. Or put it up here.
okay, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, King Gang. Love y'all.